guys, what's up? So, for today's video is i-remind ko kayo na lahat ng struggles na pinapagdaanan nyo would be all worth it. At saka mas masarap yung lasa ng tagumpay kapag galing ka sa failure. Ano pa? Na hindi lagi nasa ilalim tayo. Let's just be humble, accept yung mga failures, and then afterwards, fight again, and it will be all worth it. Yun yung natutunan ko for today, na lahat ng sakit is may kapalit. Alam niyo yung kanta ni The Ones na Umaga? Sobrang accurate. Lahat ng bagay is matatapos and magsa-start and magkakaroon ng umaga, and it will be a brand new day again.